In 2016, the legislature changed some of the statute that pertains to the considerations that we look at as attorneys and judges in making decisions on custody and parenting time for the parties. And one of the changes that was made was they introduced a new factor that looked at the advantages of maximizing the parenting time between the two parties and the disadvantages of minimizing any time. Well, with two people, the maximum they could both have would be 50%, right? So what are the advantages of 50-50? And then what are the disadvantages of not doing 50-50 so that one person is now getting something less than the maximum? And so a lot of us saw that as stopping just shy of turning around and making a presumption in favor of 50-50 parenting time or the various shared physical, shared legal custody. But nonetheless, it was very much sort of that's a place to start. We start presuming on 50-50. One of the things that I oftentimes look at in this is I'm going to go straight to my checklist. Do we have alcohol issues with either parent such that compromises some reason why it would not be good for the children to be in their care half the time? Do we got some other sort of drugs, substance abuse issues? Do we have mental health issues that also then make it hard? Is there some anger management involved? Are the children of good health, or are there some developmental disabilities, special needs that warrants a different treatment? What's going on with the geography? Are we stretched between Eden Prairie and Stillwater, between what used to be one home and now there's some reason someone's relocated across the entire metro area? And then similarly, what's going on with work? Is work also a 90-minute commute away? A job shift is now requiring a parent to leave by 6:30, but it's actually earlier because then now we got to get children to a preschool childcare by 6 a.m. Is that in the children's best interest? These are some of the things that start coming into play relative to answering the question as to whether 50-50 is for you. But also the question belies a problem. Yes, you benefit from time with your children, so then there's a little bit of a question of is that for you? But it's also the primary focus is on what's in the best interest of the children. That's where we really got to start in looking at the rest of those factors under the statute to determine what's parenting time best suits them.